It is the end of May, and I want to share with you my favorite May thrift store finds. I really didn't think I had a lot until I started unloading the bag, so I just really picked and chose a couple dozen things that I just really wanted to share with you. What a great deal I found. All right, the first thing is a couple pool floats. Now this is kind of a risk when you buy something like this. You know, this first one was sealed in the box, so I know this was a good deal. It's actually a snowboarding inner tube, and it was originally $35. I paid $5 for it, and I thought, you know, if this thing works, it's totally worth $5, and it is perfect. The next thing was this huge pizza slice float. The kids love it. It's great. It totally blew up. Not a problem in the world, so it was totally worth $3. I looked it up, and this was originally about a $17 to $20 float, so I got a good deal on that. All right, I picked up a bag of this Twinkle Fluff. You know, there's some of us that still do Christmas villages. This was originally $6 from Hobby Lobby. You could probably pick it up for, you know, 3 or 4. I got the brand new bag for 99 cents. So this is something, if you spread it out really thin, it really makes your Christmas villages look good. A few little crafty things. This is a brand new roll of some candy stripe ribbon. I can use this for Valentine's, Christmas, patriotic. It was originally $1 from Dollar General, 59 cents. This right here was just a little cup of beads for my granddaughter. It was definitely worth more than 59 cents, and she'll have fun making some bracelets and stuff this summer. I bought a brand new package of this jumbo craft sticks. These are at least $2 or $3 at Walmart. I got it for 59 cents. Don't have any plans for them, but you just can't have too many little crafty things like that come the summertime when you got kids around. And the last little crafty thing I got was just this little Michael's brand, the Chronology, and it was 99 cents. I'll just put it up for Christmas, and it'll be something fun for them to do when they're bored one afternoon in December. All right, and I picked up this little magnetic notepad. It was 59 cents, and the main reason I got it is because it had my initial on the top, and I can just put it on the fridge for a shopping list. And this was a little more expensive than I would normally pay for something. This was $1.99, but I just love the look of it. I love the way she's, you know, they've got her made to where she like sits on a pot or something, or just sit on a ledge outside somewhere on a flower bed. But I paid $1.99, and I just love the little bird on her knee, and just love the look of that little angel. So I just had to have her. Now I totally scored on this right here. This was this is from a brand called Meritage, and I could make out that the tag was originally from TJ Maxx. This is one of those wood slice servers. It's a 12-inch with a little feet on it, and you could, you know, use it for a party. You can put candles on it. Anyway, I'd been wanting one of these forever, and you know, they're always like 20-something dollars, which I could have got 40% off at Hobby Lobby or somewhere, but I paid $4 for this. And even with the sunflower, I think it's so pretty. I thought it was totally worth $4 for this wood slice, and those are still very relevant now. I thought this was so cute, this little ceramic maple leaf napkin holder. This was originally from Walmart, Better Homes and Gardens. It would have been at least $8 or more when it was new, and I paid 99 cents for it. And I thought it'd just be really cute to stick somewhere in the kitchen to put my napkins in this fall. And this right here, if this doesn't scream farmhouse, I don't know what does. And some of you may have no idea what this is, but this is called a butter bell, is what we called it. I think there's another name, French butter dish or something like that. But what you do is you put real butter in the bottom of that little cup, and then you put about 1 inch of water in the little cup right here, and then then that's how you store your butter on your kitchen table for toast and things like that. And it's just a way that you don't have to refrigerate real butter, you know, and you change out the butter. Don't put a whole lot in there, but about a week's worth. But I just love the look of that. And I did look it up. These are still available like at Walmart and places for a little less than $10, but I paid $1.99, and I thought it was I just had to have it for my farmhouse kitchen. I got this little game to throw in the camper. It's called bowling dice, and it has like 10 dice in it, and you roll, and it has a little scorekeeping card like that. It's a fun little game. I looked it up. It's about $7 at Walmart for this game, and I paid 99 cents for it. So I think my grandson that's going in 2nd grade will love this little game this summer. I've already used a couple little cubes, but this was a Scentsy brick for 99 cents. These are normally $5 $5 if you know of any Scentsy distributor. Those are normally $5, and I got it for 99. It was just a melon. It's called Kuna Kuna or something like some kind of tropical melon flavor, and it just smelled really good. I picked up these 3 little decoupage antique looking seed packets. I thought they were cute. My store had several, and I just picked out the cabbage, the peppers, and the sweet corn, and I just thought they'd be cute to be hanging up somewhere in the kitchen, and that just kind of screams farmhouse. And for 59 cents I paid less than $2 for all 3 of those. I actually had this last month and I left it in the car and forgot to share it last month, but this is a little decorative plate from Cracker Barrel, and if any of you shop Cracker Barrel gift shop, you know this had to have been at least $10. Would I use that some patriotic times throughout the year? Memorial Day, 4th of July. Just love the look of that. Anything patriotic I love. Now, if any of you shop the Goodwill, you know that all their dish towels are 59 cents. Now, I certainly would not buy used dish towels, and I only pick up ones that I know have never been used. But I thought this was so cute. It doesn't scream fall or Halloween or anything like that. It's just a cute one to put out in October or so. I'm kind of getting away from my Halloween decorations, and I just think it's cute that I found one that was Halloween colors but not necessarily Halloween. Now, I found these 2 at a different thrift store. It wasn't Goodwill, but I think these were $1 a piece. These are brand new, never been washed or used, and this one had a garden theme. This one underneath had a watermelon, and these are that Tag brand, T-A-G. You can only get those at boutiques or higher end stores. So these would just be cute to display somewhere. And as cheap as I get them, I can use them. So it doesn't have to be just for decorative purposes. This little one underneath, I got one very similar to it, but I just couldn't pass it up for 59 cents. It's just like a little tea towel that has the little rabbit. It got wrinkled in the bag. Just thought that was so cute for the springtime and Easter to hang on something, a little rod of some sort, or my stove handle. But just thought that just was so cute for Easter, springtime. And the last of the dish towels, these were 2 brand new with the tags. They are cold tags. They were originally $5.99. My maiden name is B, and I also have a couple friends with the last name of B, and I just couldn't pass them up. So I'm going to give these either to a family member or give one of these to one of my sweet friends that live down the street that her last name is B. And I just thought it was so cute that I will give them to her. All right, and this little pillow sham is actually standard pillow sham. My granddaughter's bedroom is Mermaid's, and she's just going to love this, even if we put it in the camper. And it's just got little starfish, and it'll match her bedroom, or she'll have it to lay around on this summer. Couldn't pass it up for 99 cents. It was just too cute. And the last couple things, I bought them 2 separate places, 2 different times, but they're both Evergreen brand. If you've ever seen that, they sell it at Home Depot and Lowe's. A lot of times they're seasonal decor. This was just a really pretty kind of burlap door hanging. It says Welcome Autumn, brand new, and they're normally about $15 or $20 for these burlap door hangers. I got it for $1.99. Thought it was totally worth it. And last but not least, a brand new flag in the package, one of these Evergreen flags. These is an excellent brand of garden flags. It's a full size, and I just love the print of it. It's just a whimsical Christmas tree with the zebra outline. Super cute. I'm just kind of tired of some of my Christmas flags and can't wait to fly that this December. So there you go, friends. Those are my May goodies. So I encourage you to check out your thrift stores this summer and see what treasures you can find. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.